Thought I'd do a video of what it normally sounds like at this time in the morning, just so you guys get a comparison. Mostly what you're hearing right now is probably the wind, but other than that, you know, we got some traffic around us and all that business. No blow dryer sound though. And you can, if I look up here, you can see the wind is blowing. Where it definitely wasn't in the first video I made. Anyways, well, let's try to see if we can get some sound without the wind. It's not going to stop blowing, whatever. Anyways, that should give you a good idea of what it normally sounds like at this time in the morning. Anyways.